What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to use Cash App on desktop. Now if you want to use Cash App on your PC or on your laptop, it's very easy and there are many ways to do that. And the first way that you can do that is to simply go into your browser and search here for Cash App. Then you will find this website, click on it, and after that it will ask you to enter some of your information on your phone, like the phone number for example, and you will be able to do some transactions using the Cash App website. But now let's say that you want to do everything as you use the mobile application. Now what you should do is to simply go to your browser, then search for BlueStacks. And what you should do right now is to simply download this application, and this application is very popular. It is just like that you are having a mobile phone on your PC. You will be able to access the Play Store and download whatever thing that you want. So you can simply go to the Play Store on BlueStacks on your PC and search for Cash application and install it on your PC. And don't worry guys, you will have the same interface of Cash application on your Android phone. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.